I'm recording this in Edge, but Chrome is exactly the same thing. When browsing, you've got tabs and you've got windows. Windows are the big things here, and tabs are these individual websites that you've loaded at the top. Now, I know most of you will know that already. The question is, how many of you are using these effectively? Because I would imagine a lot of you often see screens like I've got in front of me now, where we've got multiple websites loaded of all different things. So I've got some shopping going on, I've got some news, I've got some work, and this is a very ineffective way to browse, and this is not what they were designed for. So instead of having this mess, what I suggest you do is you have them separate windows or separate tasks. So down here I've got one window with 3 sports sites on for when I'm browsing sports. If I click down here, I've got some shopping tabs while I do my shopping. And then if I'm working, I've got my working tabs all at the top. So now this allows me to compartmentalize and focus on one task at a time with the relevant tabs while the others are minimized. Because you're not actually shopping and working at the same time. You might flick between them, but flick between windows, and it'll allow you to navigate much faster. The other thing you could do is you could always have 2 areas loaded at the same time. So if you click at the top, I'll just show you that again. If I click up here, hold my mouse button and drag, when my mouse touches the edge of the screen, I'll load it into one side. So then I could have work and shopping on my screen at the same time, but the tabs are separated and organized. So that would be my advice. It's not only showing you what tabs and windows are, it's how to use them effectively to improve your browsing.